This is a brand new 2014 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, the Toyota Entune infotainment system, an 8-speaker stereo system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking rear differential, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped shift knob, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.